Hey, my name is Desi Bartlett, and today we are going to be integrating fitness and yoga together. So you'll see that we repeat the yoga exercises 3 times and the fitness moves 8 times. I really love to focus on your deep core muscles, your deep abdomen, your lower back, your obliques, and then we'll also get into your legs, especially the quads and the glutes. So take your time with it, have fun, and let's work out. Let's begin with our feet about hips width apart and just start to ground the energy. You can bring your hands to your heart center and close your eyes for a moment. And I always like to take this time to call all parts of my consciousness back to my breath, back to my body. And we'll take 3 centering breaths. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, hands to the heart center. 2 more times. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. And this is just a way of, again, calling all parts of our mind back to this moment, back to this breath. And let's start to warm up. We move into half sun salutation. Inhale, take your arms to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. You can bring your hands to your outer shins or to the floor if that's available. Inhale, come up halfway and elongate your spine. Exhale, fold in a little bit more. And then rise with the inhale, circle the arms, come all the way up, fill the body with breath, and draw your hands to Namaste. We'll do this 2 more times. So whenever we are in a yoga sequence, you'll see that I like to repeat 3 times. Forward fold, inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, fold in a little deeper, and then rise with the inhale. Circle the arms, reach out, reach up, hands to Namaste. And 3rd time. So the first time I feel like it's really just kind of getting the mechanics of what's going on. 2nd time we really focus on how we're breathing. And the 3rd time you put it all together. So fold and feel your hamstrings as you exhale. Inhale, feel the stretch through the abdomen, through the arms, and draw your hands to Namaste. Good. Let's sit in a chair pose, bend your knees, take your arms up to the sky, take a great big inhale here, and then on your exhalation, simply fold forward, nose towards your knees. Again, feel the stretch in the hamstrings. 2 more times, please. Inhale. So we're trying to warm up your core, warm up your glutes, warm up your quads. And anytime you hear core, glutes, and quads, for those of you who enjoy fitness, you know it's all about a squat. Inhale here, exhale, forward fold, and put a little bend in your knees. You can grab your weight. Today I'm using a 10-pound kettlebell. I'm going to take my feet just a little bit wider than my hips and come into a goblet squat. So you hold it like so. And here we go. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Now again, with yoga, generally I repeat everything 3 times so that we can embody it and get the breath. In fitness, I go for 8. Inhale down, exhale up. 4. You're halfway there. And the reason we're doing 8 is because we want to increase your strength. So we need slightly higher reps. 2 more. But also, if you decide to turn on some music, it'll go with a count of the music. So that was our first 8. Next 8, you're gonna hold the kettlebell in one hand. Bring it over your shoulder, and we're going to inhale down into the squat again. This time, exhale, pop up, arm overhead. Inhale down, exhale, pop. Keep it going. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And I know it's been a little bit hard to get equipment online in 2020. Any 10-pound weight can work. 1 more. Inhale down, exhale up, and we're going to switch hands. Okay. So I hold on, I flip it over. I like to have my opposite arm out to the side for stability. Inhale down, exhale, pop. Inhale down, exhale, pop. Good. So if you're having any trouble finding weights this year, check eBay. There's a lot of people that have weights kind of sitting down in their basement. Inhale, exhale, let's do 3 more. Inhale, exhale, 2 más. 2, 1 more. Very good. All right, so from our squats, we're going to place this off to the side and move into full sun salutation. You can practice with your feet hips distance apart or completely together. I leave it up to you and what's most comfortable. Let's bring the hands to the heart. And you're gonna feel that your heart rate's up just a little. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Nose towards your knees. Inhale up halfway. For this first one, let's step to plank and hold plank. And I really would love for you just to feel your deeper core muscles. Exhale, chaturanga. You lower slowly, try to hover if you can. And then come all the way onto your tummy. Cobra, heart to the sky. Downward facing dog is your exhale. 3 deep breaths. And again, I like to do this all outside. Lots of fresh air. 1 more deep breath. Step or jump. Feet to your hands. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale and fold, circle the arms. I love going to the gym, but our gyms are closed right now in Hawaii. And I'm also having a little bit of a challenge working out with the mask on. So I'm really happy out here in nature. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. So even if you're in your living room right now, I really want you to take a great big breath into your lungs and just imagine that fresh air coming in. On your exhale, you can step to plank or jump to chaturanga. Cobra or upward facing dog, heart to the sky. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hips lift up, heels press down. 3 deep breaths. Now really, really press your palms down into the mat and feel your sit bones climbing up. Look forward to your hands, bend your knees. 1 foot comes forward, followed by the other. Inhale up halfway, exhale and fold. Rise with the power of the inhalation, circle those arms. Hands to namaste. 1 more time, remember, everything in yoga, we are repeating 3 times. This is our 3rd and final round. Forward fold. Inhale up halfway. Feel your lower back muscles activate. Exhale, step to plank or jump to chaturanga. Hover. Cobra or upward facing, heart to the sky. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths. Good, 1 more. And I think that we've really learned this year that enjoying that deep, full breath is really a miracle, really a privilege. So drink it in, drink in a little more oxygen, and then look forward to your hands. You can bend your knees, step, walk, or jump. Inhale up halfway, exhale and fold. Come all the way up, circle those arms, hands to namaste. Keep 1 foot in front, step the other foot in back. Come into a lunge position, please. Arms to the sky, inhale, crescent pose. Exhale, hinge at the hips. Reach your arms out like wings. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, spread your wings. And just 1 more. Inhale. So really activate your abdomen, your lower back, your obliques. Pause here. And I want you to go ahead and grab that weight, whether it's a kettlebell or a dumbbell, and you decide if you're on the back toes or if you prefer to ground the heel. Totally fine, it's up to you. I bring my forearm to my thigh, elongate my spine. Inhale here, exhale, 1 arm row. Inhale down, exhale, 1 arm row. So there's a little rule in fitness, it's called the double X rule. It just means we exhale on the exertion. Let's do 4 more. Inhale down, big stretch. Exhale, contract. 2 more. You're working your posture muscles, your mid-back muscles. They're called your rhomboids. Hold this last one. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Slowly come up. We're gonna turn around and move around to the second side. So I slowly turn. I'm going to bring my weight down to the floor and spin around into crescent, second side. Arms up, inhale here. Exhale, hinge, spread your wings. 2 more, please. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. I'm starting to feel that first little bit of sweat. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, expand. Good. And we're here for 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can come upright. I leave it up to you if you're staying high on the ball of the foot or dropping the back heel. Both are correct. Let's move into our 1-arm row. So I'm working with a kettlebell that has a handle. This is, I think this was like 15, maybe 20 bucks at Target. Inhale down, exhale up. And last time I was there, they are in stock. I like this for this exercise because I like the handle. Makes it a little easier for me. 4 more. So I'm really focusing on those posture muscles, those mid-back muscles. Let's do 2 more, please. And again. Hold it, breathe. And come all the way up. And let's turn to face me. You can place that weight off to the front. So kettlebell is on the floor for now. I'm going to take my feet out nice and wide into goddess pose. Goddess pose is the same as ballet position 2 for those of you who are dancers. Bend your knees a lot. Let's take the arms all the way out to the side. Breathe. Arms up to the sky. Inhale. Now exhale, hinge at the hips. This is a lot of work. 2 more times. It looks really easy, I know. It is not. There's a ton of core stabilization happening here. 1 more. So my belly and my low back are working together. I reach, I pause, I hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to hips. Come all the way up. Go ahead and grab your kettlebell. You can bring your stance in so that your feet are neutral. All that means is all 10 toes are pointed straight ahead. Hold on to your kettlebell with both hands. Remember the double X rule. You're going to inhale as you bend over. Exhale, pop up. Inhale, exhale, pop up. We've got 8. This is 3. Inhale, straight back. 4. I really want your low back muscles to fire. 2 more. Come on. 1 more. Let go nice and high. And relax. You can place that down onto the ground once again. Let's come around into warrior 2. My stance is already pretty wide. I'm going to bend into this front knee to a 90-degree angle. Reach both arms out to the sides. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale, bend and expand. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Let your heart rate come down just a little bit. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Both hands are on your hips. Turn this foot to face me. Bend generously into that knee and hip. Now watch. Touch, together. Touch, together. If you want more, touch, together. I lift my elbow. Touch, together. Down, exhale up. Down, exhale up. Let's do 4 more. I know that's just a couple more than we've done, but the reason is because I want to show you the challenge. The challenge is toe up. 2 more. 1 more, toe up, elbow up. Relax. Place that down. And let's come back into goddess pose. Arms up, lean forward, 2 more, inhale, exhale. The reason we're doing a little extra here is because this is great work for your core. Hold it, hold it, hold it, standing core work. Breathe. Come up, warrior 2. Try to have an infinite gaze beyond that front middle finger. Inhale, arms to the sky. Exhale, bend. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Hands to your hips. Turn your toes to face me. You can continue to bend into this knee. Okay. So check it out. Touch. Together. Touch. Together. You can add your weight and then lift your elbow. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You got it. And now if you want the challenge, bring your toe to your knee. Find your balance. 2 more, please. And 2. 1 more. Good. And release. We're going to place this down onto the ground, and we're going to make our way onto the floor. So take your time. Let's come onto the side of our bodies for side plank. So I've got one elbow on the floor, feet are together, and I lift up. Now this is a move that you'll see in both yoga and fitness. So rather than count reps, I'd like to just count duration. If this is enough, stay here. If you want to take your arm overhead, cool. Still want more, lift your foot. Still want more, look up to the sky. But just 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, you should be sweating now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the foot down. And let's change sides. Sweat is good, means that your body is detoxifying, is releasing the heat. Feet together and press down into that forearm. Let's lift up, okay? So remember, so many options here. Option 1, I'm just on my elbow, no biggie. Option 2, arm is up. Option 3, leg is up. Arm can come overhead, maybe I look up. If it's disorienting, look down, totally up to you. Breathe, 5, 4, 3, cutting slower this time. 2, 1, and bring it all the way down. Nice work. All right, everybody, let's have a seat. And you can cross one leg on top if that feels good for you. So again, I love to bring yoga and fitness together. I love to integrate these 2 different systems of movement because they feel like languages that are being blended. I'm bilingual, yo hablo español también, and I am very comfortable speaking Spanglish. And to me, this is sort of like mixing those 2 languages. So I'll see you again very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Namaste.